What's up, guys? Today's video, I will be taking off this Lavivid hair Eros. This is 30 days of wearing it now. Still looks good in my opinion, you know? I'm gonna do a new cleaning method on this one, but I just figured I'd give you a kind of look. This is how it's been looking now. From there, cotton pad and C22 method. Let me spray a little bit of C22, see if I can get this off while I'm on camera now. As you can see, basically just sprayed and worked a little bit of the C22 solvent remover onto the hairline and just kind of slowly, very slowly lift it up. Then I spray a little more C22. Then I roll it a bit further back. So nothing special going on here. I just go slow and steady because it is a thinner skin. I don't want to risk getting a tear or a rip or anything like that. So I just completely did that process. Nothing but a little bit of a couple minutes to do that. As you can see, hair system is off now. Now I'm using some cotton pad and some C22 just to remove that excess buildup and kind of just fingernails to get any little bits out, and then just giving it a quick one over with the clippers. So onto the cleaning. You know, last time I used the Lavivid method, which was leaving it in C22 solvent overnight and then cleaning it. This time I ended up spraying up a bit of solvent. This is the thing, right? You can say there's one way to do something, but everyone's the chemistry of their scalp is different, right? I mean, if you go back to my first video, you know, August last year, I started off using the C22 and the cotton ball method, you know. Over time, it seemed to be easier for me to work off the dry adhesive by finger. The only downside to that was when it's something like this thin skin, it applies a little bit more pressure onto the base, you know, doing it that way. Easier to remove. To put the C22 on, it's become sticky and gooey. But what I did use was I used a spoon to take off the biggest chunks. That worked perfectly fine. I got a good probably 60% off the adhesive. I'm left with that kind of gooey adhesive in C22 that spreads around the system. So then the next thing I go, okay, I'm going to use a cotton ball, then work it off. Again, it just then at that point seems to be a gooey mess with a cotton ball, you know? There's not going to be any secret to removing this any quicker than any other method. Half an hour. By the time it's removed, cleaned nicely, been conditioned, and, you know, brushed through. Just this method, I didn't lose as many hairs as the last method. I've done several different methods just to see what works best for me. You know, hair systems have variated as far as base types. They're all different hairstyles. They're all even 1Bs, they're color 2s, they're different base types, they're different densities, you know what I mean? There's different methods of cleaning. I have tape here to try that, but, you know, again, I just prefer the adhesive. And this is the finished product, basically. I then washed it and then left like conditioner on it for like probably 10 minutes time. Went back, washed the conditioner off. There was a few knots and like little tangles. Generally, after you do remove it, do that, you get a little bit of, you know, you have to brush it through with a hairbrush and then a fine-tooth comb, put a bit of leave-in conditioner. So this was the process. Overall, it took me half an hour. It's dried overnight. This is exactly as it looks after exactly 1 month of using it. And yeah, so far it's been all good. I'll give it a quick flip around for you. So this is the base after 1 month. Base has come out clean. Hair's okay. There's that little bit of, like I said, hairline's holding up fine. I had no major issues with the hairline. And that's it for me, guys. Anyways, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. Till next time, I'll see you later.